Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by matching ports and power. Identify the LCD's input, HDMI or VGA, and the Android box's output. If the box has HDMI and the screen only VGA, use a powered HDMI to VGA adapter. Make sure it supports audio pass-through if you need sound. Once done, route the HDMI cable from box to adapter and the adapter to the LCD. Plug the adapter's 5V supply. Without it, the signal often fails. Make sure both devices remain off while connecting to avoid hot plug glitches. Once the physical link is ready, power the LCD first, then the Android box. Select the correct input on the screen. You'll then set the box's display mode. Start with 720p to verify image, then switch to 1080p if supported. This prevents overscan or blank screens. If the image is offset, adjust scaling or screen position in display settings. For audio, choose HDMI if the LCD has speakers. Otherwise, switch to optical or RCA outputs in the Android sound menu so you don't lose audio. You finish by tidying connections and testing playback. Run a streaming app to confirm stable video and audio. If there's no signal, first confirm the adapter's 5V supply is connected and LEDs are lit. Then swap HDMI cables or try a different LCD input. Reboot the box and screen after swaps. If audio is missing, change the Android output to PCM or optical. Test with headphones to isolate speaker issues. And make sure the LCD volume is up. This one check fixes many problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.